He uses Game Minachi.
I don't know what should I go with.
Oh, Gen X noob, do you use Game Minachi now? What the? Do you use Game Minachi?
Yeah, but I don't use it anymore.
What do you use now?
Nothing.
Mods? Do you use mods? Do you use mods?
This is a big broom. Ah!
Someone hold me.
Face.
Yeah. Ghost aim. That's it. Yeah, ghost aim. Pardon? Yeah, I did delete Golden SYS. Game Archie. It's when you just shoot, but if they're like in your, if you can see them, right, and you just randomly shoot, you'll get them. Oh no, you have to actually see them to kill them.